Dorido TV, and if it's your first time, please subscribe. Coming from fetching firewood with these donkeys, James and Gilbert. James and Gilbert, they are best friends of mine. We love one another. We went to fetch firewood. You know, village lifestyle, we use firewood to cook on everything. So we went to take firewood right here. So this is firewood that we went to fetch. We in the village, we don't stress, we don't struggle. So guys, James and Gilbert are tired. I need to offload this firewood, so they are tired. I need to give them water and I need to give them food as well. Today's program, we are going to visit old people, elderly people, and we after from offloading this firewood, I'm going to take my team to give the elderly people the promises that we have promised them. And if it's your first time, please subscribe. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Reach out and touch, that's the program. Visiting the elders. We promised you people that we're coming with the next video whereby we're going to visit the elders. We're going to do some activities whereby these elders, they cannot manage. Those elders that are living alone, we just have to help them, guys. So me and my team, we want to wash for our grandfather here, the one that we visited on the last video that you watched. And also we want to do some home activities. We need to clean the house. We sweep the house in this house. We want to clean it. Then also we have a water problem right here. Water is a big challenge. They don't have a borehole, they don't have anyone. So we had to bring water all along from where we are coming. So we brought water ourselves so that we can help our grandfather. We can bath our grandfather. Others, you need to be washing the plates. Wash the plates, guys. community, as kids that are very obeyful, we need to do something. How do we keep our parents, our grandfather like him. We just have to mobilize ourselves and do what we can so that we can show love in the community all over the world. We are talking about love. Reach out and touch. That's the program. I'm sorry, my grandfather has ear problems, cannot understand. Even speaking is a problem. He's also very sick, but we just have to do something. Reach out and touch. That's the program.
Oh.